Welcome to the Best Picks. The Best Tattoo Pen Machine is probably one of the most versatile and precise tools for both professional tattoo artists and enthusiastic beginners, offering a wide range of applications from intricate linework to bold shading and coloring. This video will dive deep into the features, functionalities, and considerations you should keep in mind before purchasing your own tattoo pen machine, helping you make an informed decision based on your skill level, budget, and artistic style. Number 5. Dragonhawk Atom Tattoo Pen Kit. Welcome. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Dragonhawk Atom Tattoo Pen Kit. It's got everything you need to get started, making it perfect for beginners. This tattoo pen boasts a 3.5mm stroke length, ideal for both lining and shading. Its lightweight design ensures comfortable and precise work. All the components in this kit are tested by professional tattoo artists. You're getting high-quality, sterilized needles and cartridges, ready to use. Dragonhawk undergoes a rigorous 3-step quality inspection process. This ensures that you receive a reliable and safe product. Inside, you'll find the Atom pen, a power supply, 20 assorted cartridge needles, a foot pedal, and a convenient carrying case. Everything you need is included. With its ease of use and professional-grade components, it's time to unleash your creativity. Start your tattooing journey with confidence. What we like. It has a short stroke length, perfect for beginners. If you're starting out with tattooing or permanent makeup, this is ideal for mastering the basics. Its ease of use makes it the perfect choice for those new to the art. Number 4. Wormhole Tattoo Machine Kit. It's a complete kit, perfect for beginners and professionals. It includes everything you need to get started, from the pen to the ink. The pen is made of durable aluminum alloy for long-lasting use. It's powerful, versatile, and comfortable to hold. Its ergonomic design and lightweight build make it easy to handle, reducing strain during longer sessions. It feels like a real pen in your hand. It operates quietly and smoothly, with adjustable needle depth for precise control. It's compatible with all cartridge needles. Beautifully packaged, it makes a wonderful gift for aspiring tattoo artists. It's a high-quality kit that will last. We stand behind our product. If you have any issues, contact us for a replacement. Your satisfaction is our priority. What we like. This kit comes with everything you need to get started. If you're a beginner on a budget and want a comprehensive kit, this is a great option. It's perfect for those wanting to explore tattooing without a huge upfront investment. What people say. It has a nice grip and is good for both big or small hands to use. Love this tattoo pen. I've done so much work with this pen already. Easy to handle, lightweight. Wasn't expecting much, but this little pen is great. I'm not the best artist, but I think it's more about skill than the price of the tool. Works well. Number 3. Solong Tattoo Pen Kit. This innovative kit combines precision and power for all your tattooing needs. It's designed for both professionals and beginners, offering a comfortable and reliable experience. It features a CNC machined aircraft aluminum alloy body with an anodized finish. This ensures durability and a sleek, professional look. The high-performance, low-noise motor is made in Taiwan. It provides consistent power without overheating, even during extended use. It's perfect for tattoos, permanent makeup, eyebrows, lips, eyeliner, offering exceptional control and precision in one versatile tool. The kit includes the tattoo pen, 50 cartridge needles, a rechargeable 1500 mAh battery, and a DC 5.5 connection. Everything you need to get started is right here. It's compatible with most power supplies, and includes a plug adapter for added convenience. Remember to operate it within the recommended voltage range, 7-11V, to prevent damage. Backed by CE certification and a 1-year warranty, it's a testament to Solong's 10+ years of experience in providing high-quality tattoo equipment. We're here to support you every step of the way. What we like. It offers the freedom of cordless operation. If you value mobility and convenience, this is the perfect choice. Its robust build ensures it can handle various tattooing styles and techniques. What people say. Works like a charm. Not too much vibration. Long battery life and overall good performance. The quality of materials used makes it feels great in the hand, not too bulky, and the ability to have an adjustable power supply or a battery is great. It is very easy to use and understand and doesn't come with too many controls or adjustments with the tools such as changing the voltage, which I think was helpful in the beginning. Number 2. MAST Archer Tattoo Pen. It's here, the MAST Archer Tattoo Pen, a revolutionary device designed for the modern tattoo artist. Experience unparalleled performance and precision in your work. This cordless rotary pen boasts a custom core cordless motor, delivering smooth operation with virtually no vibration. It's powerful, reliable, and requires no maintenance. Weighing only 186 g and featuring a comfortable grip, it's perfectly balanced for extended use. The one-piece aluminum alloy body is both durable and lightweight. It features an LCD voltage screen for easy adjustment, a fast-charging Type-C port, and a long-lasting 2000 mAh battery. Plus, it includes overcharge and short-circuit protection. Its advanced gear system ensures smooth, quiet operation, ideal for creating beautiful, consistent lines and shading. It's compatible with all cartridge needles and suitable for all skin types. Whether you're using it cordless or wired, it provides long-lasting power and effortless cleaning. This durable, lightweight machine is perfect for all-day professional use. What we like. It boasts a high-performance motor for smooth operation. If you need a powerful and reliable machine with excellent battery life, this is for you. Its precise control makes it suitable for both beginners and professionals. What people say. The MAST Archer is a game changer. It's lightweight, easy to handle, and delivers smooth, consistent performance. The battery life is impressive, lasting through long sessions without issues. The motor runs quietly and smoothly. Very light, easy, long-lasting battery, by far my best machine. Catted 6 people straight and didn't lose battery. 4 hours of tattooing, I only lost 25% of battery out of 100. Very good. Only had it for 2 weeks so far and my shading and line work is better. The MAST Archer Wireless Tattoo Machine Rotary Pen Style Supply is a high-quality and reliable tattoo machine that is designed for both professional and novice tattoo artists. One of the standout features of this machine is its wireless design, allowing for greater freedom of movement during the tattooing process. The machine is equipped with a powerful cordless motor that provides consistent and stable performance, even when working on large or complex tattoo designs. The 2000 mAh battery also provides a long-lasting charge, allowing for extended periods of use without needing to recharge. The rotary pen-style design of the MAST Archer machine is also a standout feature. The design is ergonomic and comfortable to hold, making it easy to use for extended periods of time. The machine is also lightweight, which makes it easier to maneuver and reduces fatigue during the tattooing process. Number 1. Wormhole Rotary Tattoo Kit. It features an RCA cord for reliable connection, runs quietly, and offers long-lasting stability. Perfect for travel and compatible with all standard needles. This tattoo pen uses a durable, double ball bearing motor for consistent performance and reduced vibration. Its lightweight, space aluminum alloy body ensures comfort during use. The included cartridges provide excellent ink flow and smooth operation, making it easier to create beautiful tattoos. They hold more ink and absorb it quickly. This power supply boasts automatic safety features, cutting power if voltage is too high. It also allows you to connect 2 devices and switch between them easily. Everything you need to get started is included: pen, cartridges, inks, and power supply. Ideal for beginners and experienced artists alike. Remember, this kit is for practice only. Do not use it on human skin unless you are a qualified professional tattoo artist. What we like. It features a dual power supply for added convenience and safety. If you value safety and efficiency, this is a great option. Its robust design and reliable performance make it a great choice for both beginners and experienced artists. What people say. Works great, I've had it for a while now with no complaints, works as it should, easy grip, absolutely love it. The machine itself is super easy to use and has worked perfectly for the past 2 months I've used it. The tattoo machine included in this kit is of excellent quality. The rotary machine is lightweight and ergonomically designed, providing a comfortable grip during long tattoo sessions. The machine runs smoothly and quietly, ensuring a consistent and precise tattooing experience. I was impressed with its adjustable needle depth, which allowed me to customize the depth to suit different skin types and tattooing techniques. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.